Jennifer. Welcome to my channel, Irreverent RN. And today I'm bringing you a Rocksbox video. And it's been a week since I've made a video, so I apologize for not having some current content. But here's Rocksbox. Be bright, be bold, be you. So it's a lovely spring day in Texas, and would you have known that today I ran across some lilac bushes, and so I've been in a good mood ever since. Lilacs don't normally grow in Texas. I know where there's a secret stash. So I'm gonna tear this envelope from Rocksbox open. Rocksbox is a jewelry subscription, and it's like Netflix for jewelry. You have the option to buy pieces though, and there's deep discounts for this items. So let's see what we have. You can have it come as often as you like. You can send it back, and they get a notification when it's scanned at the post office, and they'll start working on your next box, and then they'll give you a list of things that are coming, and you can change your mind on things and add specific items. And they have usually name brand items like Kate Spade, Kendra Scott, Georgiana, Perry Street. A lot of brands that usually range between the $30 to $100 range on the prices of jewelry. So there's my envelope. This cute box. It looks like they've switched it up a little bit. It's Rocksbox. This box is reusable and recyclable. I always send the box back. I rarely keep anything. Trying to not keep so many things. And this is a good way to stay on trend and not be a hoarder. Shopaholic. So first they send you a little pamphlet that tells you the items that you've received. It's hard to see. So it looks like I have a necklace, some hoops, and some flower studs. The necklace and the flower studs are from Sophie Harper, and the hoops are from Ava Rose. I'm gonna open it up and see. There's the return sticker for the free postage, and I'm gonna put the sticker on right away or else I'll forget. I have 3 little baggies. Say Rocksbox on them. Soft little baggies. So if you decide to keep your jewelry, you can store it in these lovely soft bags. So let's check out the items and see what there is. I'm gonna put a link where you can have a discount for your first month of Rocksbox. Okay, first thing up are the Sophie Harper flower studs. They're all wrapped up in bubble wrap. So here they are. Isn't that pretty? I think they're gonna look nice. I'm not gonna put them with this outfit that I have on today. It's a dress from, I forget who, but it's sheer up here, and the little gold are tiny stars, and I'm so loving this dress today. It's a day off in the middle of the week, so celebration time. And, oh, necklace. Oh, this is cute. So this necklace, it says sunshine. So it's perfect for today and spring. So this is one thing I changed my mind. It caught my eye and I said, I need that because spring is coming and I love being out in the sun. And then, ooh, these hoops by Ava Rose. Oops. It's hard to see. They're gold. They're pretty. So I think I'm gonna put these on. Let's see how they look. I didn't have any jewelry on today yet, so we'll see. But sometimes I find with the earrings that their little backs that they provide are not secure. So I went on Amazon.com, of course, and ordered through Prime little box of like 300 little rubber backings. And I always will put another set of the backs on my earrings because I don't want to lose one and have to pay for it if I've lost it. I'm sure Rocksbox, if I emailed them and said, yo, the earring backing you provided was not secure and my earring fell out and I lost it, I'm sure they wouldn't charge me. These are pretty. I'm gonna keep these on. I think they go with the dress and I think that's just gonna be pretty for my outfit today. And so that's my Rocksbox for this month. And I just took my time in ordering this one because I kept my St. Patrick's Day with the green items a little bit longer than I usually do. I really think these blue flowers are gonna be just perfect for Easter. So I'm gonna wear those on Sunday or throughout the week, in the weekend. Yeah, so thanks for joining me. And I can put a link to those extra earring bags in my description below, and I also will put a link for you to get a discount if you decide to try Rocksbox. So have a happy Easter and be safe, wear your mask, get your shots, and thank you for watching.